Good evening, Jai Mata Ki. Now I am going to disperse my short lecture on sadhana. Sadhana, when you are initiated in the puja and primary basics, প্রাথমিক পূজা এবং আধ্যাত্মিক স্পিরিচুয়াল জ্ঞান সম্পর্কে যার আগ্রহ জন্মেছে, এটা আমাদের শাস্ত্র মতে অ্যাকর্ডিং টু আওয়ার স্ক্রিপচার ইট ইজ সাম উল্লাস। The primary ullas, whoever has been initiated with the primary stages of puja, and after that the main target is to search, is to quest the ultimate energy, ये चूड़ांत शक्ति, सबसे बड़ा जो शक्ति, ब्रह्मांड की जो सबसे बड़ा शक्ति, उस शक्ति का खोज, the quest of that energy which is prevailing in this cosmic world, and finally to get connected with that energy. That is the main target and goal and objectives of sadhana. There are many types of sadhana according to the various types of mat and panth and cult. बहुत सारे ऐसे मतवाद है, और इस मतवाद की अनुरूप उस हिसाब से प्रकरण प्रकार, there are many styles, many rituals of sadhana. But you have to mind that all sadhanas, all the cults, all the mat, panth, and the target and the target-oriented activities, those are totally pointed to the same goal. एक ही सागर में जाके सारा सब मिल रही है, एक ही रास्ते में जाके अल्टीमेटली सारे रास्ते जो है, all the roads, it touches the same goal of that ultimate energy which we call Brahma. And to get the Brahma, one cannot get connected with the Brahma directly. Then there is some process. The process you have to follow, you have to take some guidance from some equipped person, some potential person, those who have got achieved that position of a minimum, at least a minimum acquaintance of Brahma. You have to get connected with him and you have to take some knowledge from him, and from that knowledge you may have some idea. কিছু বুদ্ধি, কিছু ধারণা, ধ্যান ধারণা এসব কিছু সম্ভব হয়তো, কিন্তু but idea is not sufficient. You have to act accordingly. उसी हिसाब से काम करना पड़ेगा, और वो जो काम है एक्चुअली that is sadhana. And for sadhana you have to get connected with that omnipotent energy through a media, and that media is Guru. You have to search for a potential Guru. On the contrary, I want to tell you that when you are in quest of a potential Guru, when you are really you have got you got your search ultimate level, at the ultimate level of your search, Guru himself will come. It is the normal process, and in natural course you may find your Guru, and you may have the process of learning, basic learning, and testing of Guru also. That is also needed to get confidence from your mind, the depth of your mind. मन के अंतर मन से गुरु का ऊपर श्रद्धा बनाने के लिए गुरु को भी परीक्षण करना पड़ता है। গুরুকেও বাজিয়ে নিতে হবে, ঠাকুর শ্রীরামকৃষ্ণ বলেছেন। Then you have to get connected with that omnipotent energy through that guru. Now Brahmapasana to get the ultimate connectivity with that ultimate energy, that cosmic energy, it is not so easy, and you have to learn the process properly from your guru, and you have to start with the basics of the sadhana, and accordingly you will get some excellence in your sadhana, you will get some siddhi, you will get some sort of promotion stage, your promoting stage, you will get it। पायदान पायदान पे तुमको ये सिद्धि मिलता जाएगा। अगर तुम सही ढंग से ये साधना करोगे तो तुम्हें कुछ ना कुछ मिलता जाएगा, कम से कम ये आनंद की प्राप्ति होगी। आनंद मीन्स रिजॉयस इज द नेम ऑफ अदर नेम ऑफ गॉडली फीलिंग्स। दैट फीलिंग विल मूव यू टुवर्ड्स एडवांसमेंट ऑफ दैट साधना। And there are many stages through which your guru will guide you towards the development of your sadhana. Now, from sadhana, you will get the 4 types of results, Chaturvarga Phalam, Dharma, Artha, Kam, Moksha. Artha, yani Maya, Dharma, yani feelings of spirituality, Kam, yani lust, and finally moksha yani salvation. Now out of this 4 resultings, 3 dharma artha kam, it is available and it is practicable in this spiritual world, in this eternal world, and for the 4th one you have to get the idea, and you may have the feeling of moksha, but the moksha is not available on this earth. Other than the 3 others, moksha is available after death only. So, after death, what will happen? That remains in the hands of that almighty energy. In this world, in this eternal world, in this mortal world, I'd better say, in this mortal world, people have to achieve the feeling of dharma, artha, kam properly. Artha, maya is necessary for any sort of livelihood. Artha means the money or the material power through which we can gain some livelihood. Dharma, through which we can gain that rejoice, the anandam, through which we can get the connectivity, the proximity of the eternal God, spirituality. ধর্মের দ্বারা আমরা সেই भगवत सानिध्य लाभ करते पारी। भगवत सानिध्य जो है वो धर्म से हमको मिलता है। धर्म की धारणा, ध्री धातु अनट प्रत्यय, धार इति धर्म, जो धारण करके रहता है, which creates the power, the energy to capture your internal power, that is dharma. Kam, the last is for the reproduction of this world's reproduction system, to maintain the creativity and to maintain this earthly extensions and your dynasty also. It is necessary. Putrartha kriyate bharja, according to our scriptures. We shouldn't utilize lust for only to get the happiness of our organs. इंद्रिय सुख के लिए हमारा ये काम नहीं है। काम जो है ये संसार को आगे बढ़ाने के लिए एक प्रक्रिया है। हमारे धर्म के हिसाब से यही है। तो इन तीनों की जो लब्धि, इन तीनों की द थ्री धर्म अर्थ काम, these three elements, these are available through sadhana. We can assure I have got the proofs that it is available, and through sadhana you must get all these three things. And finally, whoever is expecting moksha, moksha is, it is promised by the God himself in Gita and many other scriptures. जो गीता में भगवान बोल के गया, जो मध्याजी मदभक्ता मध्याजी मंग नमस्कुरु माँ तुभ्यम मोक्षयिष्यामि माँ शुच, अर्थात you just follow me, you just worship me, and I shall give you the salvation. Other than this, we don't have the basic concept, practical concept of salvation. But the three other Chaturvarga Phal, three other elements of sadhana, of resulting of this Purushakar, of our existence, of our life, we can avail it within our lifetime on this world, on this earth. We can avail it through sadhana, and sadhana is that which is practically found from a potential guru. He can show the way. Don't go for only scriptures. Try to find a proper guru who will get you connected with the sadhan world. The world of sadhana is something other, something novel, and this will give you all sorts of successful resultings in your life, and this must give you a posture, a feature of joy, ultimate ecstasy in your life. Jai Ma.